guys, welcome to the channel. So this is actually an introduction kind of video that I'm shooting right now. I'm at this beautiful location in the woods. There is a peacock there, right here. There's a peacock there. There's a few other peacocks. There's a lot of trees. So this is my bike. It's the Xpulse2004v. We just went off-roading just now, so I just came back. So everything's just dirty. You can see even the chain is completely muddy. I have ridden a total of 7,738 kilometers. So you can say I'm not that experienced in riding. This is our bike. So the purpose that I'm planning to do this is I just wanted to explore this category of my rides, how I can show everything I see every day, because I can even share it with you guys. I mean, it's up to you if you want to watch it or not. If you're not going to watch it, you won't even subscribe to this channel. See what I did there? If you're going to watch it, subscribe please. In the future videos, I will be showing you first of all, like all the accessories that I have, or how I've installed reside accessories or everything of that sort. I've done two major trips. One is from Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar to Kutch. That's my hometown. So that's the first ride that I've done. At that point, I literally had 1,500 kilometers of experience overall in riding. So that was the first trip. The starting was scary, but it was otherwise good. I don't have clips from that trip actually, so otherwise I would have put it. There we have done like almost, it was a 1,500 kilometer trip overall. So we explored almost the entirety of Kutch. The other trip that I've done is actually from Ahmedabad. So from Ahmedabad to Dandi. It's a good trip. Really, I made a lot of new friends here and got to explore this machine more. Before that, I've done off-road trails and stuff as well. Another one wherein the Xpulse group had gone and I had actually broken my rim there while off-roading. It was actually my mistake. It's none of the bike's fault. The bike is spectacular, guys. The Hero has nailed it on this. I would actually say Hero's nailed it on all the others. Of course, it has a few issues there, but all bikes do that. Like all bikes have some or certain issues. So that way this machine is brilliant, and I am giving a huge hats off to Hero. See, it's not too expensive a bike. It comes in a really tight segment at a really tight pricing. You can't expect everything to be of top-notch quality. I actually have a top box. I don't have it right now because I went for off-roading. This is for that, and this is my gloves. This is my helmet, and yeah, that's it. I've got a lot of things to show you guys in the future videos. Whoever is seeing the videos, thanks a lot for seeing. First of all, you guys really mean a lot to me. But if there is something that you want to see on Xpulse2004v that you might say you see on my bike and you want to see it fast, just give me a comment and I'll try to get that video out first. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you want to watch more content on this Xpulse2004v. By the way, her name is Bijlee, Bijlee, and on Instagram our account is bijlee.e or double E. I'll put that out here on the screen. You might be seeing it somewhere. So please give us a follow, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more content on this. I'm actually planning a Ladakh ride in the month of June. So if you want to watch that, you will have to subscribe or you are not going to get to watch it. Bye.